All right, in Sanctum, there are three types of intent that allow us to control the content within your file based on who owns it. So what I mean by that is because we have an inheritance-based system, so for example, you want to create a hack, you're extending other files from other people and getting their content, they own that content, you're extending it. So based within this ownership hierarchy, you could say there's three different levels of ownership within each file. And depending on which level your content is, depends on what you could do with it. We're going to call that ownership intent for the sake of this video. But essentially, the three are local. That's if you are the creator of all the content, it's local to your file. You have inherited, so you extend Morkborg, for example, you get all the Morkborg content, you're inheriting that content. They own the content, you don't. It's not local to your file. And then the last one is if you update or override content that you've inherited, which is pretty common in hacks, right? I want to create a Morkborg hack, but I want to change an attribute to be a different one. I want to add more attributes. You're overriding that content. We call that a local override. So let's see what those are in action. So here I'm in my custom system file. We haven't done anything. We're in our core resolution area. We don't have any licenses. We can see yours here. So within my resolution, I'm going to choose dice, and then I'm going to add a set, and I'm going to do rollover, which is pretty common. And just for now, I'm going to add, let's add 2d6. So I guess we should make this a success. Okay, so I'm adding this, and that's it. So because we are the creators of this content, it is local content. So that means that we own the full rights to it. So when I go to my options menu, I can increment this dice. So now we have 4d6. We can increment it again. Oops, I didn't mean 5. We can decrement. I'm at 4. We can edit it to say cool. Whoops, I gotta spell that right. It doesn't matter. It's edited content, and of course I can remove it, and we have no dice. So that is local owned ownership. Check out the next video where we're going to talk about inherited content and local overrides.